Hello and welcome back. My name is Sebastian and this is the second part of the video about the knowledge bases. So in the first video we created our knowledge base. Now it is ready. Before we can use it, and this I did already, you have to sync it so that the actual information is coming to our knowledge base so we can use it. We will use for this testing. So we click here to test. And Nova Light model, and we will now ask the model about something what is in the text. So let's go back to our text. What is our standard shipping? Let's see if it's going. That it sees that it's 3 to 7 business days. What is our standard shipping? The standard shipping for our company takes 3 to 7 business days. So it seems that it will be now available. Let's see also, we have here my customer service, and here's the email. Okay. What is the customer service email? Let's see. The customer service email for your company is mysmallbusiness@gmail.com, like it was also in our knowledge base. So actually it works very fine. So we saw in this case how to create these knowledge bases, why they are important also, and this is just a small example here, so we can have way more stuff in the knowledge base, tables, texts and so on. But in the nutshell, it works every time like this, that we create a knowledge base and then can use it for the LLM. And when you see now here, when we go back to knowledge bases, we will see it here, knowledge base. And important is now that this vector store is also creating some costs. So we want to get rid of this. So at first we will go here and also delete this one. Go to delete. Then we will go to our S3 bucket. So as you know, in the first video, we had our S3 bucket and there was a file inside. This we will also delete. Go here to permanently delete. Okay, then we also delete the bucket. It is here, my knowledge base. Also delete this one. Just a moment, then we go back. So this is in progress. This will take a moment of time, but we also have to go to OpenSearch serverless. This is important. Amazon OpenSearch, because there it was our vector store. Let's give it a moment until it's been loading. Yeah, today our internet is not the fastest. This happens. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. There it is. And we will go here to serverless dashboard. And there we have our knowledge base. Oh, where it is. Here it is. No, come on, I want to have it. And also this one we have to delete. Confirm. So let's see it. Correct. There's nothing inside. So this was the most important thing, that we are deleting this one here in OpenSearch service. Now when we go back to Bedrock, and I hope it doesn't load now again so long, then I hope we will also see that our knowledge base is still even deleting or is already deleted. So we click to knowledge bases. And here we can see also the knowledge base is here gone. We deleted also the S3 bucket. So with this it will not occur any more costs. But in the end, we wanted to see how we can create these knowledge bases. You see, it was actually child's play. It just took a moment and then you can use it. And that's a very great one from AWS that they provide something like this. And I hope this video was helpful for you, or these both videos, and I will see you in one of the next ones. Have a great day. Bye bye.